Let's now go to erectile dysfunction. Let's discuss pathology in Chinese medicine. As you can see in the diagram, the pathology of erectile dysfunction in Chinese medicine. For MT, a heart blood deficiency, heart and gallbladder, Qi deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, liver blood deficiency, kidney yin deficiency all leads to impotence. As with full, the dampness, the phlegm, blood stasis, and stasis of essence all lead to impotence. We can identify the most common pathologies of impotence according to age. For age 20 to 30, it's dampness, heart blood deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, liver blood deficiency. For age 30 to 40, it's dampness, heart blood deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, liver blood deficiency. For 41 to 50, it's dampness, phlegm, blood stasis, stasis of essence, heart blood deficiency, kidney yang deficiency, and liver blood deficiency. For 51 to 60, it's phlegm, blood stasis, stasis of essence, kidney yin. For 61 to 70, it's phlegm, blood stasis, stasis of essence, and kidney yin deficiency. And last for 71 to 80, it's phlegm, blood stasis, stasis of essence, and kidney yin deficiency. The main organs involved in pathology of impotence are the kidneys, liver, and heart. The kidneys are involved because they store the essence of the gate of the fire of the gate of life. The fire is involved in the pathology of impotence in two ways. First, its channels are all wrapped around the penis. Secondly, the liver stores blood and provides the blood necessary to the penis for erection to occur. The heart plays a role in erection in a similar way as it does for menstruation in women. Heart chi needs to descend to the penis and communicate with the kidneys for erection to occur. Secondly, heart blood also needs to descend to the penis and coordinate with the kidneys for erection to occur. Heart blood plays a similar role to liver blood in providing blood to the penis for erection to occur. In China, primary importance is always given to a kidney deficiency, and particularly kidney yang, as a cause of impotence. In my experience with Western patients in young and middle-aged men, heart pathology is a more common cause of impotence. This is due to emotional stress, causing heart chi stagnation or heart blood deficiency, so that heart chi and heart blood fail to descend to the penis, and heart blood fails to fill the penis with blood for erection to occur. In young and middle-aged men, heart pathology from emotional stress is a more common cause of impotence than kidney deficiency. There is heart chi stagnation or heart blood deficiency, so that heart chi and heart blood fail to descend to the penis, and heart blood fails to fill the penis with blood for erection to occur. In full conditions, erection becomes difficult because there are pathogenic factors obstructing the process that leads to an erection. Dampness and phlegm, usually deriving from irregular diet, obstruct the connecting channels of the penis and prevent erection from occurring. Blood stasis and stasis of essence, usually deriving from emotional stress or overwork, also obstruct the connecting channels of the penis and in particular the blood, the deep connecting channels, making erection difficult. Thank you for your attention.